Here are the first transactions and the results they will make in the trial balance. Imagine on January 1, Hattie deposited the total daily cash sales into the bank account, $10,000, and the bank gave Hattie deposit slip number 0001. Well, that means Hattie earned $10,000 in income, and the account that shows that she earned $10,000 in income is the daily cash sales. So after we record this, daily cash sales will show up on the trial balance as $10,000. She also has $10,000 in her bank account. So from this very same transaction, the account called Cash in Bank will show up on the trial balance totaling $10,000. In the register window, click the calendar box that's on the first line. Click the back arrow to go back to the month of the transaction, and in the calendar window, click the day of the transaction. QuickBooks will type in the date. Click in the field that says number, hit backspace, and remove the number that QuickBooks put. In this case, the number on the source document is 0001. There is no payee when depositing cash from the cash register because that represents multiple customers whom we don't have to keep records of. However, we have to tell QuickBooks which account in the chart of accounts this transaction will be recorded in. Click the down arrow and acknowledge that the reason we're depositing this money is from the income of daily cash sales. Do not click in the payment field, click in the deposit field instead, type in the money amount, and then after typing in a field, push the tab key. Notice when we click record and click yes to pass the pop-up, the balance of the bank account goes up to $10,000. When we click anywhere in the trial balance comes forward and shows the result is correct. Cash in bank is $10,000 and daily cash sales is also $10,000. January 2, Hattie wrote check number 1 to Rex Repair for fixing something in the store, $500. Therefore, cash in bank will become $9,500 and repair expense will show up for the first time in the trial balance as $500. So, on the next set of 2 lines, click the calendar box, put January 2. This is check number 1, and QuickBooks will suggest the number 1 in the number field. The payee will show up when you click the pull-down arrow. The payee in this case is Rex Repair. The reason we are paying Rex Repair is repair expense. Click the pull-down arrow for account, choose repair expense, and of course, because this is a payment, make sure that you click on the zeros in the payment column and remove them. Type in the money amount of the payment, and to save the field, push the tab key. Now notice the balance change when we click record, click yes to pass the pop-up, and we notice that the ending balance goes down to $9,500, and the trial balance also reflects the cash and bank balance is down to $9,500, and repair expense shows up for the first time as $500. January 3, Hattie wrote check number 2 to Con Edison for electricity, $500. Well, if we pay $500 more, then cash and bank will decrease to $9,000. And if we pay for electricity, electric expense will show up for the first time as $500. Bring the register window forward, January 3, click in the number field, and QuickBooks remembers we're up to check number 2. The payee is Con Edison. Click the pull-down arrow, choose Con Edison. The reason we're paying Con Edison is electric expense, so click the arrow next to the word account, and from our chart of accounts, choose electric expense. Because this is a payment, we click in the payment column of this set of 2 rows, remove the zeros, type 500, push the tab key to save the field. Now when we click record, click yes to pass the pop-up, and now we go down to $9,000 as the balance of the bank account. As you can see, the trial balance reflects cash in bank $9,000, and electric expense has shown up for the first time in the trial balance as $500.